Oh shit, my chat is screwed up. I might have to restart. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Yo, how's it going, Tomer? Um, yeah, because I left OBS open, and I rated someone earlier, it was showing like the next chat, so I couldn't see. There we go. I think everything should be good. Your background is showing? Oh! Goddamn. So much I literally just rushed into stream. And just like that, it's magic. Oh. Thanks for letting me know. How's it going, Jack? Hello, mate. Hate cake. Alright. Still waiting for the caffeine to kick in. And the AC to cool me off. So I'm wondering, doing a half marathon? Nice. So what, 2.5K? No. 13. Oh. Whoa. Nice. Good luck, man. That's crazy. I could never. Hell yeah. Awesome. How's it going, Juho? Welcome. See, I'm still waking up, so what's today's plan? So, oh my god, I'm like overwhelmed with things I want to do. I also want to add another enemy. But although this could be for any chapter. Okay, so 2 levels per day. We did 1, so let's see. Day 13, part 2. Let's see what we want to do today. So, I mean, this is what I want to do, but I don't know if we're going to do all of that today. Hope you'll be successful. Stay strong. Yeah, Jack's got it. He does. He'll freaking jog and watch this stream at the same time. Okay. And make it. Yeah. He has his monitor like on top of his well, on what's it called? His treadmill. He works. He's a second monitor there too. That's where he watches my stream. It's crazy. Okay. So either we're gonna work on more particles. Did we work on those particles today, or was that yesterday? All my like, my concept of time I think that was I think that was yesterday. What did I do today? Consistent particles based on an environment on every chapter. Bookshelves have books. Oh yeah, we worked on the vines today. Okay. Okay. I do want to add more vines to the game. So yeah, for anyone who wasn't here this morning, I'll show you. We kind of added more tools. Honestly, we've had this tool in the past, but I've updated it to look better. And we're using atlases now, which I think look good for the game. So we'll go into, what is it called? World demo. So you can see these like purple banners. I mean, they're pretty simple in style, and I think we're gonna have to go into every one of these and just reset so that there's less banners everywhere. Another thing I want to do is add cobwebs. Oh shit, we're still in chapter 4. Level manager. You know what I should do? I should like comment these out, or just copy it. Copy both of these. Comment them out, and then just switch between the two. That way I don't have to keep... Honestly, I should also add a script to just let me switch between rooms faster, but... I don't know. It's always like, it's never an inconvenience until I have to switch. Alright. So yeah, it looks pretty good. We've also made the game much brighter, but I think it's a good change. Hopefully. It'd be cool to add more... Oh yeah, we have to update the background too. Maybe that's what we'll do today. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a few more changes to the background of the game. So we'll do the walls, and we're also gonna add the cobwebs to corner pieces. I think that's what we'll do for the rest of the stream. And I think, yeah, like a cobweb here would be really good. We'll have to look at like some of the script, because like if there's a cobweb here, or do we want to have a cobweb in every single corner, or maybe just like every other corner? And then if there is a cobweb there, maybe we don't want to have a banner like right next to it, you know? And right now they're all just randomized. Like you'll see one right there. You'll see a bunch everywhere. And I wonder if I could find a cool parallax, like a library parallax for this section. Think it should be random. The banners? The banners are random? Oh wait, actually. Well, this room, there's a little bit too much of a new background. You think it should be random? What do you mean by random? So also I was thinking with the new, like, what I want to create, like, in terms of world building, what I want to do is, like, this is a library, but I want it to be like a library that was messed up, like a hurricane or like a tornado flew through the library and just destroyed everything. And just like crazy, I'm trying to think of a good movie reference, or like maybe, you know how like in the first chapter, or sorry, like there's like floating furniture, and it's like just, it's kind of like two dimensions just collided, and yeah. Didn't Celeste have an entire level of a library? I don't. No, that was the hotel, the resort. Not a library. But oh, very similar concept though. Maybe that's why I came up with the library. Although my idea is better than a resort. It's like, you know, a library. Who wants to go to a resort? The library is where it's at. Yeah, that's true. In Celeste, resort, resort chapter, there is like some craziness. Celeste resort. Not here. Oh, where is it? Yeah, like when you is it this area? Like the books and everything, like they stole my boxes, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, like in this area, when the books just like rearrange themselves. They're books. Dude, they stole it. They stole my idea. They do have books. I didn't even realize these are books. Whatever. I didn't know that. I think it was never a library in my own. I think I was never. I was never in a library. Well, maybe that's why you're not cool. I'm just kidding. I think a chicken. I think we need a chicken nugget level. No joke. I'll make a chicken nugget level just for you, Jack. Like a McDonald's chicken nugget. Okay. Let's go into world demo. So yeah, I guess it technically was done in Celeste, but we're gonna make it look way more like a library than a hotel. Oh, you agree? Yeah, of course. Of course I agree. Okay. I'm still waking up, so we're gonna probably do some silly stuff or like take our sweet time trying to figure out what to do. I like this area. What I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna use singular furniture, like just one piece of furniture. So right now this is a little too much. There's a little too much going on here. I'm thinking it'll just float around. And then here, like I love this, but the issue with this is that I'm using the same exact particle system or like particle CPU settings here, and I want to either make these move around differently, but also make them. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe because they're heavy furniture, they shouldn't be spinning like this. But we'll see. You missed like 3. Really? You missed 3? Yeah, I mean, I've noticed you, like, you joined, but then I guess maybe you're busy. But yeah, we've made some decent progress in the last couple of streams. This is my favorite, though. I love this so much. It's like books flying around, pieces of paper. I'm thinking I'm going to add one solid piece, like maybe this piece of paper that you jump on and you catch it, and it's like a collectible. Last days I've been working on the. Oh, right. True. So we could also do the same thing with the artworks. But yeah, we'll take this one step at a time. So I'm gonna work on. Here, let's do this. First, I'm gonna do. Before we work on the particles, because I think the particles are going to be subjective, they're going to be super time consuming, and it's also subjective. Like there's no right or wrong answer, and it's going to take the most time. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to add the cobwebs. Cobwebs first, then possibly backgrounds. Background auto tile. And then the parallax background. And then once all of that is done, we're going to do the particles. And if we have enough time, I would also like to do one more level design. One more room. That's the goal. Usually have the stream on the side when working, but I was really focusing. Yeah, fair enough. That's understandable. So you're saying you can't fully focus while watching someone's stream? I would understand. I'm just curious. All right, let's just go into a random room. I would say So actually, this room doesn't have any corners in it, so there would never be any cobwebs. We would have to like try it out here. Also, this room looks like crap, in my opinion. maybe we should work on the background real quick, just so I could feel good about the designs of these rooms. Unless, wait, let me see if we have an already pre-existing tile map. That looks good. That like could just be a placeholder. Let's see. We have these rocks, which, I mean, no, I don't think these rocks look good. Let's try. I don't think this one looks good either. Do we have any other? We have this one. Let's see how that looks. And then I think we're gonna remove the scaffolding, and what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna add pillars to this chapter instead of scaffolding. But yeah, let me see. Scope. Scaffolding. Let's remove it for now. Yeah, let's see how this looks as is. When I'm trying to focus and work efficiently as possible, being surrounded by complete silence is the best for me. Oh, okay. So you don't even listen to like music or anything?
Don't worry, buddy. You're doing fine.
Okay. You know, that music is so loud, and I don't know how to, or the sound is so loud relative to everything else. I don't know how to like reduce it, but it wakes me up. All right. Oh, we also have to fix collisions like that. We'll do that next. The music is relatively low, yeah. The stream. Oh, you want it louder? Is that what you're saying? Okay. Or relative to the sound of Patrick. Let's get rid of these light nodes. Relatively low to how it usually. Really? Dude, it's like all the way out and a half. Maybe it's the song, or maybe, let me see. Volume mixer? Oh, yeah, you're right. There you go. How's it now? And you know what it is? It was blast. It's like I had it low, like on my desktop. Oh, I'm sorry, I had it high on my desktop, but low on Spotify. Okay. Cobweb is a special word for me. When I was a little human, I watched a YouTube video of a Minecraft Let's Player, and he jokingly said that cobweb is actually pronounced cockweb, and I believed it. Wow. Wow. That is a very fun fact. You know, we could flip this chair. You do some funny things, like just have upside down chairs. Wonder if I should do that. Like, or like, oh, we could even do this. Wonder if people are gonna get like, if it's gonna screw people up if they see chairs that are just on the walls. Let me see. Oh, a little, maybe too many chairs. Yeah, on the walls, maybe not, but when they're upside down like that, maybe I think it's fine. And I think maybe I'll flip it. X gonna give it to you. All right. All right. So we're gonna add cobwebs now. Finds tile map. So our current tile map has. They actually do have the cobwebs, but I think. Wondering if I should remove it. I should add it to its own texture because I know one of these days it's going to screw up. One of these days, I know. I just know it. So let's go. Finds tile map. We're gonna go into here. When I was watching Let's Plays of Celeste for inspiration for mechanics that I could add, I always saw the new guys trying to interact with decorations and background objects like chairs. Yeah. What if you actually make them be able to do that for some sense of discovery? I was thinking of doing that. I just don't want to set a... I don't want to set the expectation that they can jump on platforms. Like, I was thinking of doing it right here. Just putting a one-way collision right here. Like, I think it might be nice. But, yeah. Like, because then they're going to think you can jump on top of these. On top of these background objects. And I don't want to set that expectation. Adjust the brightness then. Yeah, but the thing is, they're already kind of bright, and the, like, okay, here, let's see. Like, I would have to specifically make this unshaded. Make the rest, yeah, the collision point higher. Yeah, like this right here would have to be brighter. It would have to be brighter and unshaded. Every object that's collidable in my game is unshaded. Like not affected by light. So, this is not affected by light. Falling platforms are not affected by light. Spikes are not affected by light. You get it? Dash orbs, obviously. Or actually, dash orbs are affected by light, but they have a light source on them already. Same with the springs. Yeah, just any interactable object usually is not affected by light. Like, they're already max brightness. Does the color palette have darker colors than the ones that you're using? I think so. At least for these. Like, I mean, this is obviously lighter than this. Just add two dark tones for the palette and maybe a brighter one. We'll see. Again, I feel like the thing is I don't want to set the tone of like, oh, every background object is collidable, because then later on they're gonna assume, some other stuff are collidable, and it's like, we'll see. It might, like, I would like to explore it, but it's like the least of my concerns right now. Okay. Cobwebs. See this? Oh, this didn't save from yesterday or this morning when we added the cobwebs. These are still like this dark color, or maybe they were always this dark color. And I think it's a bad choice though. We'll see. And we'll make it the full size here. I wonder maybe if I want to add more cobwebs to the game. We couldn't find any, so I'd have to like draw my own, and we all know how that goes. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna do one quick search. 2D spiderwebs. These are nice, but obviously the resolution is too high, and I wonder if it'll scale down properly. Let's try it, actually. Christina Lee. Electronics and such. What's up, memory game fans? Oh man, some people are gonna get clickbaited. They're gonna think this is a memory game, and they're gonna buy it, and then refund and give a bad review. What's going on? One of these. Oh, there we go. Honestly, I don't like any of these. There was one that was decent, the corner piece. I'll try to find that one. Also, what's the resolution of this? 250? You know, this actually might not be bad for like a... I was gonna say we could put this on the background. Ooh, a spider chapter. You heard it here, folks. Oh wait, Grumble is Grumble's doing that. Maybe that's why maybe that's why I'm thinking of spiders lately. Because Grumble is working on a spider level. Is this the only corner piece? I feel like there's this one corner piece that looks good. Oh, TL, top left. True, it is muscle memory. That is true. Alright, if we were to try to scale this to... What's the size of... I mean, I could just try redrawing this, but let me see. This image is a 26 by 26. Okay, so if we can try scaling this down. Wow. Here, wait. Maybe if I just grab this texture and just put it into the game, or put it here. Oops. And then we go into mode, indexed, and it's color map. Oh, okay. We have to at least put some color on it. I now have locks and keys. Nice. Hell yeah. Alright. Let's see what I can do here. Boom. Boom. You know, I could just select everything here. Here, I have a good idea, actually. I'll select like a bunch of colors here. We'll make it white. And we'll select another selection of colors. Let's go here, here, here. Let's make all of those, whatever that is. That kind of works. And maybe one more. Yo, how's it going, Dragon? Dragon's goal. Why isn't this working? Oh, we have to select this one. think we might want to erase like little sections here. A little too much going on here. Let me copy this because I forgot what. Yeah, there's too much, I guess. Cobwebs with one main color. What do you think about this? Does this look like... I feel like this looks like crap. Unless maybe... Also, I think maybe the pixels, it's too many... I feel like maybe I have to do something like that. This looks like trash. Wait, let me see. No, I think well, we'll just stick to what we got. Okay. You know, actually, I feel like this looks decent just like this, but it's a cockweb, yeah. Trying to think. Like, I feel like this looks decent, but it doesn't follow the color palette of our game. Obviously. It's also very transparent, like it might not even be visible. Just gonna delete it. Yeah, let's do one more thing, and I think I need a better color for this. This like bluish color is not it. Oh shit. Alright, I think that's good. And then for whatever reason this is... There we go. Do 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 do. Do we have a backgrounds? Yeah, we do. Okay. All right. Alright, let's go here. Cobwebs tom up. So we have 1, 2. They should all be the same size. So right now this one takes they're all 16 by 16. So we gotta make sure it's consistent there. So let's go here, configure grid. Show grid. They're all 32 by 32. Oh, okay. Alright. That's fine. Dude, what the... only the large ones are actually 32 by 32. Everything else is fine. Maybe I should make this into... No, I'm just gonna put it all in the same script. Only thing that's annoying is... Oh, these are... I guess these are their own thing. Like, we could actually... I'll just leave it like that. Maybe we can combine... We'll see. These technically... Trying to think. These would not fit into corners. I might get rid of them. Yeah, I think we're just gonna get rid of these. We'll just put in these right here. There we go. We could technically also make ones that are upside down, but I would probably do that later. I'm trying to think. Yeah, we'll leave it like this. I'll add the upside down ones for now. But we probably won't do it today. Flip. Okay. So first thing we need to do is make sure that these are 32 by 32. I think that's subtile size. I think that's it. Yeah, there we go. What the hell? Why does this look like... What the hell's going on here? Did we not align them properly? We didn't. What the frick? What did I even do? How did this happen? I guess I don't know simple flipping of textures. Okie dokie. So this is our second tile, or first, I guess, index one. And what we're gonna do? What the hell? Did you see that like random? Yeah, what's this line doing here? Is there a way to like what? Is there a way to erase everything? No tile map. I guess we could run a tool script, but you know what the hell? Why is this line here? Okay, there we go. I guess we could leave this here for future me. This script is gonna do the same exact thing. So we have this set cell texture, except we want to grab the cobwebs. Holy, I just got another bad ad. Was it another German ad? I heard a lot of people all over Europe are getting German ads. Also, hello. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going all around Twitch, but yeah, everyone's been telling me they've been getting German ads. Sorry in the name of Germany. They are bad. By not geo-targeting. I wonder if it's like a Twitch like bug or something. Because obviously, like, yeah. It must be a bug. Like, how could, you know, every country not do it? Or like every ad be wrong? Or the demographic of like targeting the correct country be wrong, you know? Like, yeah. Or maybe Germans or like Germany has been like just targeting everybody. And it's like going to become a meme. It's like the ultimate marketing strategy. Everyone's talking about these German ads. Think about it. Okay. Maybe German advertisers were the only ones who did not pull out, yeah. Input cell and then index offset. This is like an old script here. What we use is add bind cell, and then currently we're using 0 as our get random autocall tile atlas. You know, this should work just as is. What we're gonna do in add bind cell is we're just gonna set an input index, but before we do that, I'm trying to think. Here, let's just try it out with 1 for now. I just want to see if it works, and if it works, then we'll work on the rest. So if I click this button, we should get. Yeah, we do get it, but yeah, you can see, yeah, they spawn correctly, but some of them are upside down because we forgot that we're not supposed to include these upside down textures. It should just be why does this look so weird? Oh, okay, there's one more bug with this. There we go. And actually, these should be here. There we go. I'm so not the target audience. I wonder who the hell is. I can't imagine teens fall for that. I'm so curious as to what the ads are. Because everyone's been complaining about them, and they're like, wow, these ads are so bad. So I'm wondering, like, what could they possibly be doing? Alright, so it seems... Wait, let me try this again. There we go. So, yeah, we still need to add some more, like, settings to these cobwebs. And actually, I'm thinking maybe we don't even need, like, the right side. We could just flip it via the script. I'm just worried Yeah, I think we could just flip it. The thing is, we'll have to flip it when we grab, like, so left side will be pretty easy to account for, but the right side, we'll have to make sure that we're checking 2 tiles to the right. Or, sorry, no, 4 tiles to the right. 8 times 4 tiles. Yeah. Alright, so we know it works. Let's switch this back to 0. And I'm wondering if maybe we'll make a separate script for this. Because, wait, let me think. Because we do want to flip it. So we could say, like, match the index. Here, yeah, let's back everything up and then we'll make this work. I don't know what the hell we did. What did we do earlier today? Seems like all I did was edit rooms. Okay. Added chapter 4 room. So usually, I'm trying to think, because we could handle all of this in auto tile. Let me see. Let's look at our auto tile script. When we're adding the vines, we could check if it's a valid point. If it's not a valid point, we'll just run a different vines tile map script instead of, I don't know. You know what? Yeah, let's do this. We're going to make another function called add corner vine or something like that. It's going to be sort of the same thing though. I wonder. We do add vine cell and then set vine cell. It's like the same thing but different. I don't know what's the difference. When we were making this, we were like super tired. Set vine cell of input cell 0. So it's the atlas index and then the input chord. Where do we update? We update it at the beginning of the... I believe we do this at the beginning of when we're looping through the add vines. Let me see. Add vines tile map. So we add vines, check tile map bounds, input.get current atlas information of 0. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we do all this stuff. I think what we'll do, yeah, we definitely have to clean up this code. Right now it's kind of all over the place. Should we do that today, or should I kind of just speedrun the rest of it? All right, yeah, we'll kind of do a hybrid of both. Certain things I might not want to fix. So I'm also trying to think if like we're currently iterating through all of these tiles, but the current information is based on tile set 0, or like our atlas 0, and we'll have to update this information. So I wonder if I should make like maybe an array of information, or we could just say, you know, handle corners now, and we can just say input tile map of 0, or sorry, now it's going to be 1, and then we'll do the same exact thing and run just checking if everything is valid from the. Yeah, let's just do this. Fuck it. For cell and use cells, if cell.y is less than cell min, if cell does not equal. Okay, we set cell valid for I is 2. This is actually the same. This is also applicable, except it's supposed to be 4. And this is only checking. Here, wait. We're gonna want to say is not equal to -1. If used. Whoops. Dot has cell plus vector 2 dot left. And we're gonna say actually not does not have this. We'll say cell valid is true, but there's 2 cases, right? We have to check for both left and right. So I'm trying to think, what would we do? Like those code snippets with the note, please don't delete. I don't know what it does, but when you remove it, the program won't start. Yeah, exactly. Eventually, I mean, we should just make a better function for this to like handle, because every chapter is going to be doing something similar. So eventually, these are like just hard-coded values right now. Yeah, we're gonna have to update this pretty soon. Honestly, like today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. We'll probably work on this some more. Right now, I just want to make sure it works. But I mean, I don't think it'll be too difficult to like switch between. Like, we just have to create like a match statement. Like grab appropriate index or something instead of putting 1, and then that'll be it. Because we do. Yeah, we actually have this get. I started working on it, I guess. Get vine index. That's what we'll put right there. But we'll also have like a get corner vine index or something like that too. Alright, so for cell and get use cells, if honestly I don't think we need this does not equal 4 thing. So we'll get rid of that. Unexpected indentation. Let's see, for I and 4, I don't think we need this, but I'm trying to think if used cells dot has vector dot left. Okay, I think I got it. I think I figured it out. If it has the vector 2 dot left, then we're going to say for I and 4. Something like that. Then we'll say cell is valid. Basically this of vector 2 of I and 0. And we'll put X here so we don't confuse ourselves in the future. For X and 4, if used, so then we'll say cell invalid or cell valid is equal to false, and I guess we can break from the loop. And then I don't know what the hell this is. Let's get rid of that. And okay, and then after this entire loop, then we'll say if cell valid and I'm just gonna put in comments for now. Add left-sided cobweb. All right, and then we have to do the same thing for vector2.right. We have this frequency function. I'm just gonna comment this out for now. We do want to have frequency, but it's not gonna be the same frequency as the banners or the vines, our typical vines. So yeah, we're gonna do the same exact thing, but on the right side. I'm trying to think, like, technically, if it has it on the left, we don't need to check for the right. So we'll say elif here. I want to make sure that's true. If it's on the left, yeah, I think that is true. Technically, yeah, we'll do that. Plus vector2.right. So if it has a cell on the right, we're gonna do the same exact thing. Check if there's enough space to put a cobweb. Except this time we're gonna be adding negative x, and cell is set to false, and then we break, and then if cell valid, we're gonna do some magic here. What we're gonna do here is, I guess we're gonna be using whatever function we have here called input.tomap.addVineCell. Right now we don't have any arguments for it, so input.tomap.addVineCell. Should I make a new function called inputCell.addVineCell? Oh, this is also cell plus vector2.down. Is this what we did up here? Seems like we added... Oh, wait. I think we have to add, yeah, we have to add y, we have to add -1 somewhere. Like, this should be cell plus vector2 dot, vector2 dot down, and plus vector2 dot left. So I guess we could just put that everywhere, right? We could just say, just for every cell, maybe we should just say current cell. We could just do current cell. Check is equal to cell vector2 dot down. If cell.y is less than cell min.y, so yeah, we want to copy this, and I'm just gonna put, every time we see cell, we could just put this. And I don't think we actually have to add vector2.down because it's already vector2.down. I hope I'm not confusing myself. Watch this, like, watch the first one that we did work, and then this is just this just made it worse. But all right. So add vine cell. Okay. So this should work as is right now. What's gonna happen is it's just gonna add. Hopefully, it just adds banners on the corner. Well, it's gonna add banners everywhere, but it's also gonna add banners to the corners, regardless of anything. So we have. It looks like we have something there, and it looks like we have something here. It looks like we have something there, and there is something here too, but it's like kind of confusing. I don't know what the hell's going on here. We're also going to have to flip this. Okay, it looks like this one worked. It looked like this one worked, and this one worked. Yeah, okay, the corner pieces are working. Here, we can even test this out some more. Let's put... Oh, whoa. We just get vines everywhere. More indentation equals more fun? Yes. We'll be fixing this pretty soon, but let's make sure. All right. So for the right side, current cell, add vine cell, we're gonna want to subtract vector2 dot left, or yeah, plus vector2. And we're also gonna want to flip it, or yeah, we can flip it. I think that's what we're gonna do. Plus vector2 dot left. Right now, let's try this again. You know, we could have just tried it here, like just make sure it works. So let's say we have a room here. Should only spawn, well, it's gonna spawn everywhere, but also just on the corners. Yeah, cool. Honestly, there's no way to tell. It seems like it's pretty consistent in spawning in corners. Oh, wait. I think something did spawn. Technically, something spawned here, but the texture is just whatever it is. Let me see. Yeah, it's weird. We'll fix. Maybe there are a few edge cases we haven't solved for just yet, but soon enough we will. Okay. What do we need to do? Now we have to actually add these as cobwebs and not banners. So let's do that now. We'll go back into our vines tile map, and we set the vine. Currently on add vine cell, it's just input cell, like the, yeah, whatever we want there. I'm trying to think. I thought we ran a function. I thought we ran this whenever it wasn't equal to the current cell. I thought that's what we did. Get random subtile chord from current atlas. Let me see. Get random. Oh, we do. From 0. Okay. All right. So in add, you know, I'm trying to think. Maybe I should just set vine cell. Set cell v. You know, I'm just gonna leave it like this because it works. All right. Yeah, let's just add an argument here. We'll say input. Yo, how is it, Grumble? I was just thinking, like, I'm adding cobwebs to my game, and then I was thinking, like, oh, you know, how cool would it be if I added spiders to the game, and then I realized, oh, Grumble's doing the same thing. And I wonder if I, like, subconsciously, you know, like, you subconsciously look at other things and you're like, oh yeah, this is my idea, you know? Like, hey, you know that, like, that meme where it's like, I made this, and then you're like, oh, you made this? So I'm not actually making webs like the same type of webs. I'm more so just making corner pieces and stuff. Here, I'll show you what I got so far. Let me just finish this. Vine index. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. So add vine cell. So yeah, right here we'll just say, for these we'll say 1. Same with this one. 1. For this one also, we're saying plus vector2 dot left. It's gonna be plus vector2 dot left times 4. But yeah, we'll figure that out next. Let me just finish the rest of this. This will be for now 0. All right. Hopefully we didn't break anything. Let's see. So yeah, I've been working just on the aesthetic of the game. Like, yeah, I'll show you what it looks like right now. I'm actually really happy with, like, I don't know, it makes the whole world feel more alive. We have, like, floating furniture, which also will be updated, because right now it kind of looks whack and barely noticeable. But I really like this. This is like my favorite. Like, it's so simple, but I love it. Like, just flying books and pieces of paper. and I'm thinking I'm gonna redo this so that it's like all over the world, or like, you know, in certain areas. So like if there are books everywhere, we'll have like these floating books or pieces of paper, just floating around. But I really like this for some reason. Do I do the art too? Not like so. I did this, the art, like I made these books. But that's as far as like my artistic skill goes. Like I do edit tiles. I did edit these bookshelves to look a little bit better, but this was an asset I bought. I'm good at editing, I would say, or I'm decent at editing sprites, but I don't usually make my own. I make simple stuff, like I made this sign. What else did I make? I made none of this. I think I updated the boxes here. I made the spikes. Yeah. Really, like small stuff I can edit. But yeah, right now what we're doing. Oh, seems like we broke it, because now our banners. Oh damn, we must have broke it. Wait, let me see. Something. All right, so yeah, these banners are supposed to spawn in usually. I guess maybe because we rewrote the script that something weird happened. Wait, why don't we see it anymore? Let me see. Let me click save. I save it. Oh, what the hell is going on here? Transition tile map. Node not found. Vines tile map relative to root. Oh shit. What's going on here? We broke something. I mean, it's here. Why is it? Let me see. If I save, and it disappears. Shit. What the hell? I don't even know what's going on here. Oh, you know what it is? Shit. Usually, wait. If you add a tile map here, if I do that stuff here and then we try editing it in other rooms, it kind of screws everything over. So we gotta make sure it's a clean slate. Let's try that again. Oh no, what did we do? How did I decide on Godot? Honestly, it was like kind of a whim. I'm glad I learned it though. Shit. What happened? No one freak out. So it seems to add it. I save the scene. We go back here and it's just gone. I think. Wait, let me see. We run it. Yeah. Okay. Something's wrong here. Let's see. Nothing is printing though. Like no errors are printing. No child. Index is 17. Alright, let's look at our autotile script again. What did we do here? We did tilemap.addVine cell. Here, wait, let me comment this out, see if everything works when, because all we did was this. All we added to the script was this. So, let me see. Whoops. Did not mean to run the scene. Yeah, it was kind of a whim. I mean, I'm glad, like, I'm glad I'm using it. Dude, what the hell? What is going on? Oh, you know what it might be? We added this erase all tile script. Because I was like, you know, we might need it. Maybe that's what's doing it. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's go back to adding this one. All right. This room actually doesn't have any corners in it, so we have to test it out here. All right. So you can see we have. This is good. This is upside down. This is on not flipped. This is on the right side, but not flipped. And this is on the... Yeah, okay. So, here, let's do this. Because our current Alice uses... we were accounting for, like, flipped and upside down textures. We're not going to do that. We're just going to go here. We're only going to include the left textures. And that's it. And then we'll flip it, you know, through the code, through like set cell. So let's get rid of this, and then just put this here. Okay, so now it's placing the correct random texture, right? Here, wait, I'm gonna make sure. Let's say, I don't think I actually have the seed script working yet. Yeah, so it's not actually working. And it seems like it's just putting the same, I don't know if it's random. Wait, let me see. Because it seems like we're getting the same texture over and over. Let me see. Yeah, what the hell? Oh, maybe we didn't update it properly. Yeah, we didn't. Okay. We want it to look like this. There we go. Alright. Why is... There's nothing in this corner. There's something here. There's something here. Something here. And then there's something here. I want to figure out why the hell there's nothing in this one. And there's nothing in this one. View cells that has current cell check. That's plus vector 2 dot down plus vector 2 dot left. If it has it, for x in 4, we're checking current check plus plus 4 tiles. If there's a valid cell, cell valid. Let me see something. Let's look at that room again. Yeah, it should be valid. But there's nothing there. So let's see. One more time. View cell that has current check. If cell valid, current, plus vector 2 dot left? No, this is right. This is right. Why is it not working though? Alright, so we should get 3, -21 as a cell valid. Cell valid 3, negative 21. So yeah, this is a cell, valid cell. Why the hell? Input tilemap dot add vine cell, current cell check, comma 1. Maybe, did we do something wrong with our vines? Let me see. Is there ever an invisible tile? Okay, if we just set it to this, it seems to show up. For some odd reason, when we update it to 4 of these, and we run it again, it disappears. Why does it disappear? Let's go back into Vine tilemap. Current Alice number of tiles, -1. Is this wrong? Maybe we shouldn't have this -1. Oh. We see... But then we never see anything else. No, so I think that's wrong. Max index. Here, wait, let me actually print out what this max index is. Current index is that, and max index for Atlas. Okay. For 1, the max index is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that's right. Cell valid at 19 and negative 21. Wait. Oh. Wait a second. Kent, thank you for the follow. Yeah, I'm not sure why. It's saying cell valid here, and then it's running this current index function here. Input tilemap dot add vine cell of current cell check 0. Oh, sorry, 1. And then get random chord of vine index. Basically what we do is if input index does not equal our current atlas index, we update the current atlas. And then we randomize everything. Okay, oh, that's why it's running first. Okay, that's why cell, the first cell valid. Okay, that part makes sense to me. So when we set cell v, input cell, and then atlas index. and then input chord. Let me print out what this input chord is. So for 3, -21, our input chord is 2, 0. Whoops, wait, what was that? Oh, there we go. 2, 0. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 2, 0 is not a thing. That's why it's invisible. Why the hell? See something. Alright. So yeah, 2, 0 is not a thing. Why the hell is it? Maybe we're multiplying something by 2? Current number of tiles. Let's see something. Current Alice size. Oh! I think I figured it out. Where is it? Where is it though? I wonder if current Alice number of tiles dot x has to be -1. Then would we have to subtract 1 here too? Alright, let's see. Alright, there we go. We get this one. We get all of them? Let's see. Here, I should have, like, let's, like, name them. Here, I'll make, for the time being, let's just do this. Get, like, all the colors of the rainbow. So, we want 1 green, we want 1 red, this. Blue. And what's another color? Orange. One. Where's 2? 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. We get everything. Cool. I wonder if that's if the same thing happens with the banners, and I wonder if, like, we're saying out subtile index minus equals current atlas number of tiles. I wonder if I have to subtract 1 from this as well. It seems like it works, but maybe it's screwing something over. Like maybe it gets us an invalid tile at the end. Let's see. 1, 2. Doesn't seem like we're getting 3. But that could just be luck of the draw. Also, how's it going, Desired? Yeah, I think, yeah, maybe, I guess we don't need this right there. But we did need this -1. Okay. While out subtile index is greater than our current Alice number of tiles, -1 dot x. Out subtile chord. Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. So we get something on every single corner no matter what. So if I add one here, we'll get one here. Something might be there, I can't tell. But let's put something right there. 2, 3. Okay, cool. Alright, so now what we need to do is make sure that we're flipping the textures. So if we're on the right side, this gets flipped. Same with that, same with that. Alright. So as an argument, I guess right here, so in add vine cell, we'll just say flip x. I think it's this one right here. I think it's this one. Let me see. Okay. We could also randomize, I guess, flipping textures if we really want to, but for now, we're only going to do this for the vines, or sorry, for the cobwebs. Alright. Moment of truth. Oh no. Okay, wait. Something is broken. It works on the left side. The right sides are not working for some reason. And yeah, wait. What the hell? Let's see. Flip x is equal to false. Wait. Oh, what? Is it maybe flip Y that we're messing with? Let me see. Oh. It is flipping it, but it's not flipping it in the direction I was hoping. Wait, I think that's fine. I think we just have to keep pushing it. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. We have to do plus vector 2 dot left times 4. Times 3. Cool. Alright, I think we got all our vines. And then what we also want to do is we'll check if there are any banners I mean, we could have the banners on top. It's not a big deal, but also... Now let's see what it looks like in game. Also, let's get rid of the pretty colors. I'd also like to try it in other rooms. So you can see we are actually already, like, I used to hand draw these. So like, I forgot what they're called. Wall decorations? Yeah, let's just erase it. Ooh, we have to make sure it doesn't run on these tiles right there. So basically, if the tile above is a platform, we don't want it to run. We'll fix that pretty soon. Also, yeah, we could technically get vines on pieces like this. We could add some more checks to see if these are also valid. Yeah, we'll do that next. Let me just see. Just keep running it in certain rooms, see if there are any other edge cases we haven't thought of. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. There's no... Is there... I wonder why there's no tile here, though. Maybe there is. Let me see. Oh, there is. Okay, it's just being covered by the spikes. Yeah, we have to fix this. Either that, or we put it on top of the, we just bring it one level up. We'll see. Yeah, cool. Oh my god, I love it. It's just like one, extra detail, in the game. In every corner, if I can get a bunch of more variety in textures, I don't mind it. We could randomize it to same with the banners where it's random. I don't know if I I think it's because I like it so much that me seeing it in every corner right now. Why does this happen? Here, let's just reset that again. I wonder if there's a hotkey to oh, there is. Cool. Look at this. Whoop. There we go. We'll never know how wide I am. Yeah, control... I don't know why control S is a thing. Control S is like a... Stretch it to the entire resolution of your stream button. Yeah, if I add it to every corner, I would just need a large variety of cobwebs, because it'll get really repetitive. Right now we only have technically 4, but 2 of them already look very similar. What happened to the flying books? You didn't see the flying books? We do have the flying books, but it's they don't spawn until, I guess. We'll make a preset so that they're already spawned when you're in the game. The flying books will be more common pretty soon. Well, but we're gonna do that later because I feel like this is gonna be a lot of fun to mess with. So I want to get some actual work done before we start working with the books and flying furniture. I don't know if you saw the flying furniture. Ooh, yeah, flying furniture too. I'm sure I'll make a level where you could jump on the furniture too. IMO, they looked better, faster. Ghost shit is usually a bit more violent. We'll see, we'll see. I mean, it's just a matter of making things swing around. Just increasing the speed. But yeah, we'll do that later. I gotta pee, I'll be right back. Wait, I'm trying to... Yeah, we'll see if I should erase, like, lower the frequency of them spawning in, or maybe we could find just more things to put in the corner. I'll be right back.
Poop again!
Still working hard. Okay. Yeah, I think if we see this, we'll remove it. So if there's a tile above, we'll remove it. Today was a weird day. Why? Why was today a weird day? Plus vector 2 dot down. All we have to say is if cell. If get cell v of cell is equal to 4, cell valid is equal to false. Is there a way to break from a loop or like skip? I don't think there is. We could just do this and that'll solve it, but technically we're going to run through this loop until either this or this. We could also just say if cell valid. Or wait. Doing a while statement would have been good, I think. No. We'll just say if cell valid here. Just double check it. Okay. It's called continue. Like this will skip. It'll skip the loop. Let me see. Like or skip this iteration. Okay. So then I could just do... Here, let's see if it works. We'll just say continue. Alright, I'll comment this out in case it doesn't. not this one. There we go. Yeah, it worked. Yo, how's it going, Half Moon? Cowboy was a special. I think you're a little too obsessed with that word, Chuho. Wait, oh, what did I just press? Outside wind? I don't know what the hell. Alright, cool. I'm pretty sure there is a cobweb there, but because... Let's see. Yeah, okay. Just making sure. Oh, shit. Which one is this? One. Here with buns? Nice. So we're just adding cobwebs, and I guess we're done. We could, I don't know. You think it's overkill, the amount of cobwebs? Like, it's in literally every single corner, but I don't know. I think because it's new to me, I like it. I have to run this on every single room, unfortunately. Like, I have to just click in every room and make sure it works. And we have to make sure that we erase the original ones. No idea how that got there. I guess my clipboard was still hanging around. I see. So it wasn't actually a real story. It was just something that it was a copy pasta. Oh wait, what? Why is this still here? I thought we fixed that problem. Maybe we just didn't run it in that room. There we go. No, it's real. Dude, oh my god, it's in this room too. Alright, we just have to make sure that we rerun it in every room. I'm trying to think if it, like, I should run a script that just runs... we'll have to run it in, like, every room and then save every room. We don't have to, like, keep on clicking. I mean, we're gonna have to edit the background auto tile, so, like, I guess when we're updating the background, we'll also do the, we'll do all the vines. Should call it pest control. Dude, oh my god. I saw a, like, you know, like, you're not supposed to kill spiders. And I usually don't kill spiders. But you could say the same thing about, centipedes. Centipedes also kill, like, pests. Or, like, you know, other bugs. But goddamn, centipedes are, like, nasty. Like, the way they crawl, I mean, just everything about them is nasty. I killed one the other day. Like, cute as fuck? No, I disagree. What's really nasties? Oh yeah, I can agree on that. Mosquitoes, especially, it like, you know, I wouldn't even mind if the mosquito would bite me, but you know, like late at night, you're sleeping and they just wanna, you know, they just wanna make your life worse, and they like fly next to your ear. Like I'd rather them just like, you know, bite me and leave me on my way, but they have to make fun of me. I mind a lot when they bite me. Oh yeah. Yeah, hand actually, yeah, is pretty bad. Like fingers are pretty bad too. Like that, it's like painful when they bite you on your finger. I guess like the pressure buildup on a finger is, yeah, it's different from like an arm or something. They want to piss you off. Yeah, honestly. Like, why can't they just be like ninjas, you know? Drink your blood and then go on their way. They have to just make your life worse. They can't really transport harmful viruses. What is it that they spread? Malaria? Oh shit. Malaria and I guess parasites, but I don't think that. Oh wait. I feel like it's more common in other countries. No, in countries, in African countries. All right. So we added the vines, or you know, I call them vines because in the other chapters they are going to be vines. But yeah, it's a nice name, I guess, because it's easy for me to remember. Isn't Bill Gates releasing genetically modified mosquitoes in the U.S.? Good luck, fellas. Is it? I feel like I've heard something about that, and isn't it like so that they can't reproduce, or like? So it's so that they don't reproduce. I'm pretty sure that was the point. But I don't know much about it. Safe and effective, I'm sure. Yeah, whatever. I'll let him do his own thing. He can do whatever he wants. He's a billionaire. We're just, you know, we're just this test subjects. Okay. Also, oh, my brightness is like super high. Okay. Mosquitoes are planted by the government. Alright, what's next? What is next? Background. Background, we need a better background auto tile and a parallax. Make the background tile more blue. I want to add more detail to the background, whatever that means. So I really like here I'll show you. I really like chapter 2. Chapter 2's background, or I guess the amount of detail. It's still not even perfect because it's actually pretty random. I like this background just because there's I think there's a lot of detail in it, and so I would like to do something similar. There's more detail. Honestly, this is pretty mid, but yeah, something like this, or it's like something like Chapter 4. Chapter 4 backgrounds. It's I mean it wouldn't match here, but you know, same idea. I'll show you what that looks like. How does Chapter 4 look like? It looks like this. It's Chapter 4 is a little different because the parallax is really good. So what I do with the walls is like the walls is actually not even there that often. It's like kind of like this. It looks like this. Where like I erase the background. We make pillars and stuff. This is Chapter 4. No, this is Chapter 1. Oh, you can't really see the white part, but yeah, you know the parallax. It's pretty good, pretty good. There's not much detail in this auto tile, but that's because the parallax I think is really good, so it doesn't matter. But yeah. Income for Chapter 4, I think it looks really good because the parallax is really good. So this is what the parallax looks like. You know, the blue. This might not be a good spot for to see it, but yeah. We're gonna change the parallax background for this chapter as well, but for now, let's try to figure out something that we could use. What I'm thinking is maybe like half of it should be, you know, I don't know, like wood or something, and then the other half could be stone, or like, you know, stone on the bottom, wood on the top, or like, yeah, we'll see. Let's go through. I probably have so many assets of like auto tile backgrounds. Let's go to itch first. We also downloaded a crap ton of stuff, but I'm convinced I must have something in my library. Like, if I don't, I don't know where my money is going. I forgot we bought this. I don't think we ever looked at it. Alright, we'll look at those. We also have a bunch of stuff in our... Let me see. Ooh, I love this space thing. Ooh, and what's this? There's more banners here. It looks pretty high res though. Alright, ooh, some of these assets are kind of nice. None of these I like. Same with this. The background is pretty mid, or it's just too minimalistic. Let me see. What's this? Ooh, what is this? Oh shit. I like the pillars. I like these pillars. This is used for one of the LDTK tools. How do you shop around for assets? Sometimes they're not, and you kind of just have to edit them. It's a lot easier. Like, the lower your resolution, the easier it is. So like max resolution for me is 16 by 16, but a lot of my tiles are 8 by 8. So like, because there's such a small amount of pixels, a lot of the times the art style is very similar. And all I have to do is maybe edit the like background. The issue with like higher resolution pixel art, like let's say like stuff like this, is that yeah, none of my art is gonna look like this. There's too many colors and like shading is weird. So I would never use something like this, but like for instance, this box is very similar to the art style of my game, so I could use that. So you kind of just pick between stuff. When there's no like I guess like perspective art added to it or like perception, it's pretty good. Yeah. There might be sometimes there is inconsistency with my art, but most of the time, you know, like this is very similar to this, so it works out. I did buy this asset, and I want to look at this real quick. Let's see if we can. Maybe we can even look at like, you know, usually I look at platformer textures, but like wall textures might work like, or you know, floor textures for top-down games might work pretty well too. We'll have to see. So far, nothing is good. I downloaded some texture pack the other day, or like it was just a bunch of textures. Let me see if we could find it. Not sure what this is, but we're just gonna open up some of these files. And hopefully one of them. Oh, dude, I actually really like this one. And, you know, I'm just going to keep opening them until. I won't open any of these zip files just yet. We'll just explore everything else. Okay. Kind of like these. Ooh, actually, these curtains look pretty cool, and like. So yeah, for example, this art does not match my game at all, but we can sort of edit it, like changing the color palette does wonders. So already it kind of looks similar, and then. Yo, how's it going, Mila? Thank you for the follow. So you're not afraid to slice and dice stuff to fit your game? Yeah, of course. Especially because I'm not much of an artist. So yeah, like I like these curtains. I might even use them in the game somewhere. Same with like this. Like the thing is, right now, these books look a lot different from the books in the game. So like we would probably just like, if we want to use maybe the shelf, you know, resolution, we could, but yeah, we'd have to change this, or we could like start implementing these similar books into our current shelves, and then just it would just expand the variety of our textures. But yeah, like here, this is another like example of like something I wouldn't use. Like the boxes, this kind of has like that you know, like angle to it, which probably wouldn't look good. Game dev with Unity, love it. Godot looks fine. Yeah, I mean, it's really up to you. Like, there's no right or wrong answer. Personally, I like Godot just because most of my games are like minimalistic, and I feel like Godot suits my needs. Oh, look, they have cobwebs, but yeah, I feel like getting good cobwebs is pretty difficult. I don't know what the hell this is, but this looks cool. It looks like a window of some kind, but I don't like the whatever is going on there. It seems like, is this black? Yeah, usually there's no black in our game. I don't know why. Let me see something. We must have been using the wrong index? Or maybe I accidentally added a color. Let's go back to RGB mode indexed. Yeah, something's wrong here. Interesting. Did I add black somewhere? No. Whatever. Yeah, usually. Wait, let's do this. I'll just grab this. This is our darkest color here. So it should look like that. Not using Ace Bright, yeah. Oh, this actually looks a lot better now that we've changed the colors. This looks pretty cool too. We might use that. I don't know. This looks like kind of like a banner. Sorry, barrel. In terms of like background auto tiles, I don't think none of these look that good to me. Maybe a fireplace. But yeah, I do like the curtains, so we'll probably like scrape that out. Let's see here. I know he's wild. At least I use tile setter, and at least I also use like symmetry when I'm making. I felt like I was being like I was backseating too much, so I didn't say anything. But I was frustrated that you weren't using the symmetry thing. Like when you were making your portals. I was like, why is he drawing it? And he like, you were getting frustrated too. You were like, oh, it's why are they not aligned? I was like, You do sometimes. Yeah, you did use it, but at the beginning I was. But I'm sure people do the same thing with me. Like sometimes you might see sometimes the answer might be obvious to you guys, like what I'm trying to do, and I get stuck for it could be 30 minutes to an hour. By the way, I do appreciate. I won't say I appreciate it, but if you ever see the answer and you want to backseat, completely go for it. I'd rather be efficient with my time. I would much more appreciate it. I also changed those to something else. Oh yeah, you didn't make them portals. You made them extra, holes, right? I think. Yeah, how's it going, Bad Cop? Python and Java only the basics with games, never just blueprints, and I didn't get them. And now I'm learning the basic pathway. Well, yeah, good luck. Yeah, if you ever, I don't really know much about Unity, but most things I think are applicable when you're trying to implement I don't know, some random mechanic. I love these assets, but I don't think I've seen these around, and they actually have a game somewhere out there. It looks really cool, but it doesn't match my game at all. It's a little too futuristic. I do like these pipes though. Maybe we could put this in maybe we'll have a futuristic room. We'll see. These also look. Oh, maybe this would be good for a background. And what the hell is this? These aren't too bad. Oh, and there are a crap ton of vines. I like this. We'll probably grab these. And flowers. Okay. And these are cute pillars, but I've never had this problem where the resolution is actually too low. These are 8x8 textures. Usually my pillars and stuff are 16 by 16 at least. And then finally we have this asset. Ooh, these are kind of cute. This reminds me of like Terraria or like Minecraft. Oh wow, where did I get this? This looks really neat. I don't know what this is, but looks cool. Yeah, these are very cute. These are super cute. Oh, I like these. I like this way more than my current signs. I think I'm gonna steal them. What is this called? Basic tiles only. Oh, and the wood. Dude, these are all. What size is this? Yo, I actually wanted wood tiles for chapter 1. I think we're gonna. Whoa, these are all so nice. And this. This is exactly what I needed. Alright. It's a cute little asset there. Alright, I don't remember what this tile was named. We're gonna have to try to find it. Oh, is this like a 8x8 version? Low key, kind of like these two. All right. And like, oh my god, I'm getting a little too excited. I just think these are very well done. Here, wait, let me see something. I can't even tell if there's like if these are supposed to be 16 by 16 or 8 by 8. Okay, it is a 16 by 16, but we could definitely still use them. All right. I think the first step is to grab these wood tiles. They also have like this weird like. So these have like a that like weird perspective to them. Probably won't use those. Who made this? I have to definitely add them to the credits. I already see myself using many of these. The books are also like really well done. A broken TV. Little jars. Oh, it's so cute. I would have definitely paid for this asset. What is this? I wish I knew what it was called. Shit. Basic tiles only. .png. Itch. Basic tiles. If it's called basic tiles only, I'm sure they have like a paid version. How's the sauna treating you? I have the AC on right now. Alright, how the hell am I gonna find this asset? I would like to credit them, but I don't know. It's literally just called basic tiles only .png. The sub icon? What's the sub icon? You mean the fake internet points? You can put the PNG itself. The thing is, I wonder if it's actually going to show up. Here, we'll see. Maybe it'll work. Where's the do I just plug it in? Oh, search by image. There we go. So yeah, it's just gonna give me a bunch of pixel art. Find it. Oh, you're a genius. Incredible technology. Look at that. Okay, who is this? Odd Potato Gift. I'm wondering, do they have like a paid version? I want to see all their other stuff too. Here, let me add this to my collection. They have a 32 by 32 version. All right. Well, thank you, Odd Potato. As of 9:06, I'm going to remake everything from this pack. Yeah, this was really well done. I already know I'm going to use a bunch of their assets. Yo, Shady. How's it going, Shady? I feel like you raid me all the time, and the stars never align for me to raid you back. Although I have been streaming, I've been streaming twice a day now. All the time is a big word. I mean, yeah. It's because you raid me all the time. But yeah. What was I on about? How's your stream? How's everything? Alright. We're currently just looking at assets from this this artist named, what was it? Something Potato? Potato Gift? Odd Potato Gift. Is this the first or the second one? This is the second one. Yeah, I've been this is I think my second day doing it. So yeah, I wake up at around 3 a.m. We stream for like 4 hours. Then I go to sleep. Or I take a nap and then I stream again. Are you streaming early? I stream like I stream usually before, like usually once I'm done with my stream, I'll see you streaming. Like a few, maybe like 30 minutes later. But yeah, I just started it. We'll see how consistent I am with it. But yeah, I have high hopes. I probably will be consistently streaming at like 3 a.m. and then 3 p.m. That's kind of like how it works now. Eastern time, by the way. So we're gonna grab these. Let me see which wood texture do we like. I kind of low-key want to mess with the physics tiles, but also we have to mess with the background tiles. Which one should I do first? Nice stuff. Playtesting my future demo, finding problems and solving them on the fly. Nice. Yeah, let's check it out. Let me see. Just gonna scroll through real quick. No, so oh, I like the I like your stream UI. It's very cute.
Ça. Liste de string. Alors attendez, parce que ça j'ai dû le faire de l'autre côté. Lui il a les actions. Côté. Je retourne dans ma scène.
There it is.
Donc ça c'est supposé être facile. Chacun appréciera la facilité à sa façon. Donc ça c'est supposé être facile. Ce qui se passe c'est qu'on a un système de vagues tout simplement qui va pas se poser.
For anyone interested, use escape space.
Scénario donc tout est fait main au niveau du spawn. Tout ce qui spawn, tout ce qui se passe c'est qu'on a un
Oh,
système
oh shit.
qui va être procédural. Par contre, ça va aller chercher dans des vagues.
It's looking pretty good so far.
Préparé à la main aussi.
Shady still didn't listen to me though. I said to put their Steam page on their Twitch page. Okay. Trying to think. What the hell is this? This also looks cool, but I don't even know what it is. Okay. Oh, are these the backgrounds? Kind of like this. I guess we'll use that. And wood. I think the wood texture also looks pretty cool. I'm wondering if I should use. Wait, let me see. Wondering if I should use this. I feel like the resolution, like these panels look pretty big though. Like they're very cute. You know what? Let's just try it. So I'm gonna stop talking. Oh wait, what? These are each 16 by 16. Doom, doom, doom. I think it'll still work out. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna make a new file for now. We could try out a bunch of them for now, so let's see what else is there. There's this, I guess. Maybe this one right here we could use. There's no detail in the center nodes, which I don't like, but maybe we can grab whatever's in here and put that in there. In the center textures, I mean. Also, all of these are 16 by 16, so that like they might not work out sometimes, but we'll figure it out. What else is there? There are these wood textures. I wonder, like, could I put this here? Yeah, let's try that. I feel like these would be good for... Wait, let me see. Because they also have... Which ones? They also have these right here, which might look really good. For like platforms. Well, we'll look at that next. Let's grab these for now. But these also look really good for like for platforms. We'll see which one. Gotta run? Alright, I'll see you then. Peace. Thank you again for the raid. Okay. Did I call it library tile map? Should have called it library background tile map. Okay. Yeah, we'll just make we'll make several new auto tiles, I guess. One will be this right here. And we'll just do that. I think this will just work out. We'll have to make like corner pieces too, but I'll figure all of that out later. We'll actually have to turn this into a tile map. Alright, so we got one. Here, let me make let's go to region, a new auto tile, and we'll do, let's try, I guess we could try this right here. And this will be these right here. The center, we're gonna try using, I think we'll have to edit this texture if we actually want it to look good. Here, maybe let's, yeah, there's no way for us to do this. Maybe, I think this will be good for, the actual tile map. So, you know what? Let me, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna try these instead. Okay. All right. So this is the wood one. I think we might want to use a darker color if we're actually going to stick to it. And then there's this, which looks crazy. Like, doesn't even look good at all. Maybe we did something wrong. Let's maybe reduce our the priority of this we'll set to like 100 out of 8. I think this just looks bad. We'll figure out what to do there. And we accidentally flipped. Okay. Let's try this out. We'll just put it into this room for now. Or let's try it in this one. What's the tile index? 12? Okay, so 12 and then... Oh my god. Yeah, it's too bright. But do we have any other tiles that I could use? For the time being, like, maybe I want to put this on the top or like on the bottom. Yeah. Something like that. Give it some variety. Looks like crap though. Let's see. Maybe there's some potential. Wait. No, it looks like crap. I mean, also it just doesn't match the like the rest of the game. Let's see. We can try whatever this one is. We'd have to edit it though. But I also want to see, maybe we could just make this slightly darker. Like we just pick a darker wood here. Maybe purple, or maybe just this one. It's not even that much darker. What the hell's going on? Oh, right. Our selection tool needs to have 0 priority. Oh, this is already the darker one. Okay, so we'll have to grab maybe this purple. Or maybe we make this the purple. And then this is all we have. I mean, yeah, I guess we can try it like that. Doesn't seem like it saved. Let's try that again. What? Seems like nothing's changing. Did we accidentally import the wrong file? No. Is GitHub like screwing us over? Oh, it's because I forgot we renamed it. What is it called now? Library background helmet. There we go. Better, I guess, maybe. Maybe we should shrink the textures like to 4x4s, because right now they're like each plank is 8x8. I feel like maybe it's overkill. One more thing I'll try out though is making making the wood this color instead. It's like, it's actually pink. Or it looks pink. Let's see. Actually, I kind of like it. But yeah, I still think the planks look weird. It's too, I feel like it's too cute compared to the rest of the game, unfortunately. And also, because we're using an auto tile, like, see how like these planks look like that? Like it, there should be longer. Okay. Oh my god, it looks terrible. What can we do here? Maybe we could try using these planks. They actually don't look terrible. I think like these right here look really good, or they look decent. I was hoping maybe I could use these for the background auto tile, but maybe we still can. But let's see. Make a new auto tile right here. We'll just grab all of these and that, and we're gonna make some. Yeah, I'm gonna make these. We're gonna have to make some duplicates real quick. Yeah, I'll use all of these right here. And then the center ones, right here. Let's go back here. And I'm just gonna copy. Whoops. What the hell's going on? We'll probably want more oh. Yeah, we'll probably want more variety than this. Oh shit, Irish John. How's it going, man? Avasti Scallywag. How's it going, everybody? Welcome. Oblivion NPC. Yep, that's me. NPC. How's it going, man? How's the game coming along? You've been making some decent progress, I gotta say. I remember when you first started well, not first started working on it, but like in the earlier stages, these were all buggy. Like I could definitely I noticed the increase in like sophistication of your AI. They're looking pretty good. Working on spawning stuff, armory, and armory mechanics. Nice, hell yeah. Yo, how's it going, Travel the World? Welcome. How you doing, man? Also, thank you for the follow, Darkness Blade. You get a follow, huge Oblivion fan here. Nice. And you also get that, you know, that notification. Although these sounds are from Skyrim, not from Oblivion, but yeah, we got the Imperial Guard right there too. The way the animator works someday too. Nice. But yeah, thank you. Did I give you a shout out? I don't think I did. But yeah, here, I'll show you guys what I've been working on. So for those of you who are new to my stream, I'm working on a game called Memori. It's similar to Celeste in terms of like mechanics. We're actually working on some art today. So this doesn't represent what the game usually looks like. It's kind of hectic at the moment. And I've been working on this new chapter 4 of the game, which like I've been polishing like crazy, and I think it looks amazing. The only issue now is that the rest of the chapters look like crap compared to it. So now I got to update the previous chapters to like match the same quality of, just prettiness. So I'm just updating like small things, like we just automated placing banners everywhere, or like I call them vines because we're gonna put vines in. Oh, my music is blasting right now. Let's go here. Oh shit, you guys have been spawning a bunch. Need to insta lurk? No worries. I'll see you around, man. Peace. Thank you again for the raid. So yeah, we just automated placing like what I call vines, but in like other chapters, like in the overgrown chapter, these will be vines. But obviously this is going to be our library, so it's more so like just banners everywhere. Instead of pillars, there's like, well, actually, yeah, instead of scaffolding, we're going to put pillars instead, so it looks more official. Right now, the parallax that we're using is from Chapter 4. This doesn't represent how, I'm playing like trash right now. But yeah, this is the game. Here, I'll show you guys what Chapter 4 looks like, because it's like, I think it's my best chapter yet. And now we just have to go back and make sure everything else looks good. Chapter, oh yeah, we did this whole new, now I'm just going to comment this out and do this. Boya Grandma, thank you. Thank you for the follow. So yeah, this is the new chapter with our forced dash mechanic, and yeah, I added like new backgrounds. We're using these same boxes from chapter 1, and I decided this is what made me want to change chapter 1, is that these boxes look perfect for this chapter. So we're changing chapter 1 to like almost like a library, like the Great Library is what I'm calling it. You can see some of the aesthetics, like the cobwebs are kind of like spawned all over the place at the moment. We'll fix that pretty soon. We're kind of like in a weird spot where like everything needs to be polished simultaneously. I'm like creating tools so that everything in the future, like for future development, is really clean. Really like the spike design. Thank you. I like them too. I do think they need some updates. Like this kind of looks like, I don't know. It needs some consistency, like a pattern. They're supposed to look like crystals, and right now it kind of just looks like a, I don't know, like a Christmas sweater or something. Or you can tell like with the auto tiling right here that like I think it looks good until we fill it in, and then the fill in looks a little weird. It's a little too busy. Yeah, I agree. Looks like a coral reef, but still looks dangerous. Ooh, coral reef, yeah. It's supposed to look like ice. This is what it used to look like, though. Like, looks pretty crappy in its current state. Or these look kind of crappy. I do like the idea of it, but we're going to have to definitely make some updates pretty soon. But yeah, this new chapter, I'm really liking the way, like, I'm loving the design, and I'm loving all of the new assets I'm adding to the game. So now we have to just go back to chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 and just meet that same same amount of quality. And because like first impressions are really important, and like half the people, this game is really challenging, so half the people that actually play it are probably going to be bad, and they won't even see this art. So like I'd rather them see the good art in the beginning of the chapter or in the beginning of the game. And if you make it to this point, you'll just be rewarded with more amazing art and mechanics. But yeah, so because first impressions are really important, I'm adding like new particles. You can see we have like floating furniture. I'll give you like a little bit. I'll tell you a little bit about the lore. Basically, you're dead or you're dying, and you're in this limbo world, and basically all hell is breaking loose. Because like you're basically not supposed to be here, and you've ended up in this place, and now everything is just like, there's flying furniture. Chaos is being unleashed. Yeah, that's the game in a nutshell. And there's some other stuff, but I won't tell you the lore just yet. You'll have to play the game. I've been writing it wasn't until recently actually that I had really good ideas for the lore, but I'm still in the process of writing it. Maybe it needs to be denoised a little bit, but I like the organic. I do like the organic too. The organic look to it too. I'm wondering if I should make it like still noisy, but like, just a little bit more consistent. Kind of like a hybrid between. So like, my reference as always is Celeste, and in Celeste, the Mirror Temple, they have like these spikes that are like these red spikes that look really good. But they have this like texture to them that's like it's just stars, like it's just stars stacked on top of each other. And I'd like to have something similar, but like maybe less like stars. But yeah, similar. I don't want the people to notice the repetition of the texture. But yeah. We'll figure it out one of these days. In the meantime, we still got to figure out what texture we're going to use in our backgrounds. I think it's wrong to assume that new/bad players will never reach Chapter 4, but putting good art in the beginning will give them a better impression of the game. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm hoping for. Like, I remember someone told me, hey, Chapter 2 looks so good compared to Chapter 1. And I was like, yeah, you're right. And I'm wondering, people might look like, people's first impression might be, oh, Chapter 1 looks like this game's art doesn't look that good. Let me just quit, because, yeah, I think that the steepest part of the learning curve is in the beginning of the chapter. Like, if you can't get past the first chapter, you might not, it'll test your patience right away. And if you don't pass this part, then you'll never pass the rest of the game. So, yeah. The least that we can do is just make really pretty art, and hopefully that encourages casual players. But I do try to be all encompassing. Like, I know this type of gameplay can be challenging for people who have never played this type of game before, but I try to like teach the mechanic as slow as possible. We kind of like exaggerate each of the rooms, or I'm trying to exaggerate each of the rooms. So like if I teach one mechanic, we're gonna have like 5 different rooms that are basically telling you to do the same exact thing, but in a different, maybe in a different direction, or with different timings and all that kind of stuff, until it becomes like subconscious for the player. That way they kind of know the mechanic, and then when I start making puzzles in the mechanic where like, you kind of actually have to think about your approach, you use all of the, all the knowledge you've gained along the way. But yeah, right now we're currently just working on the parallax and the background tiles. I'm still struggling to figure out what we're going to use for that. But we did just make a texture. Let's see if maybe this is the solution for all of our problems. Unrelated, I've noticed that there are no easy level that forces you to diagonal twilight, and new players have difficulties with the advanced levels. True, you're not wrong. Yeah, we'll see. Adding diagonals to the twilight would be a good idea. I'll have to think about it. We're going to be redoing that chapter anyway. I'm thinking that chapter might be the last chapter. and in combination with like all the other mechanics. But I'm gonna redo that mechanic altogether. So we'll see how good it could actually be. Yeah. What did I want to do? Yeah, we want to go back into our auto tile background. Let's just make a new texture real quick. Did we? I think we already made it. Yeah, we did. Okay. So I'll save it. We could test it out right here. The last chapter or the last chapter on release? Yeah, last chapter on release. I really do want to make many more chapters, for sure. Oh, so you can see here, the left side. Yeah, this is all like kind of crappy. Let's do this. These can't be flipped. I think it's the same texture, just flipped upside down. So let's just copy this right here, paste it over here. The left side looks very weird, so we're gonna get rid of that in the bit mask and the auto tiling. We might have to add some more variety in these textures. Here, I'm gonna get rid of this and that and this and that. It's not super creative. Here, wait. If this is the case, maybe. Yeah, we'll leave it. Let's see, we're using these two. Let me add all of these. So we want this and this. If we're gonna be using this, we probably don't need to make it an auto tile, but this just makes our life easier because we already have a sort of system in place. Alright, there we go. Oh, this doesn't use our, here we have to edit. Alrighty. Boom, boom. Still it looks like crap because we don't have these corner pieces and what the hell is going on here? Oh, right. We don't need this one. Unless this looks decent, but yeah, we're just gonna grab this for now and flip it. And then we also need the same texture, but for the horizontal pieces. So I'm just gonna grab this again, put it down here. Actually, we'll put it right here. Export it. There we go. And then the corner pieces, let's just do these two. And these two. And then these. Alright, moment of truth. Does this work? The corner pieces are screwed up because we don't actually have any outlines on them. So let's do that real quick. Just gonna make a box around this. Like that. Oh, this was only for the corner pieces and for the edge pieces. Let's do the same thing. Which one was it? Was it... these two right here. So this line and okay. There we go. Looks better. Now let's just try it in our game. So this is what it could look like if the entire background was brown, but I think it collides with the other textures in the game, so like this right here would look weird. Ideally we want to like... Yeah, we don't have any brick textures at the... Oh, we do. We could use this one. Sort of works. Let's try that. still here. Comment this out. Not bad. The bottom texture right here looks weird for some reason. I'm not sure why. Did we not create? Oh yeah, we didn't. We didn't create a bottom texture. So we'll do that real quick. Honestly, we should probably redo this entire texture. This was us just testing it out, but yeah, we want to make basically just one more of these. Actually, no, not this one, but oh, this one right here. But all we have to do is yeah, I'm actually just gonna copy it over. And we'll add a bottom line right here. Oh, we were using... Wait, this one seemed like it was doing its thing correctly. Yeah, these were our bottom ones. I guess let's try it out again. Oops. Yeah, it seems like it's fine. Why does it look weird in the editor or when it's in the game? Let's see. Doop, doop, doop. I'm also wondering if we should like create a pattern with it, like, you know, wood, then tiles, and then wood again. Or maybe we could even make it like vertical. So like instead of this, like right here, in important areas, the wood would be here, and like it'd kind of like be like a pillar almost. That's another approach, which I think could look pretty good. Let's see. We'll create like a bunch of variation in our designs, and then see which one looks good. I don't think we're gonna have scaffolding in these rooms. We'll try it out though. Tile background. So let me see. First, I'll fill up the whole thing with wood. Looks terrible, and then let me see. Either we put this like that, or we do something like this. I think there's a little bit too much wood in this chapter, or in this room, for us to actually use it in the background. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, same with these rooms. Auto tile background. So yeah, I would just fill up this little area here. And maybe the ceilings could work out too. Something like that. We don't have a tile map handling the transition from here to here. Let me see if we can make it kind of work. I see the potential. I do think it looks better than what it did before, but I think it needs some polishing. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can make this work. The bricks need to be updated too, though. Minecraft Nether Fortress vibes? I do see it. Okay. I think this looks good. I think we need to find a better brick tile. At the moment, our brick tiles are kind of crap. Let me see if there's anything else in this asset pack that maybe we can scrape up. So we used the wood texture. Where was that? We used this, and then yeah, I don't think this will work. Let's see, is there anything else here? I guess not. All right. Wait. Nope. Was there anything else that we opened up that might look good? We do have like a bunch of other assets. Like, no, that looks pretty bad. See what this is. We got some decent looking chairs here. No. All right. So what we're gonna do? Let's go into. There's this I like the Run in Bloods pack. Let me see if we have anything here. I don't think Run in Bloods has anything like they're really good on the border section, but then when it comes to like filler, it's not nearly as good for anything. At least from what I've seen. Like maybe we could use something like this. Maybe. Let's see. Like maybe we can use this right here. We'll have to make a texture for it though. Same with that. Yeah, maybe we'll use this one. Let's scroll through some of the assets that we have over here. We have a bunch of zip files. Where's that? Let me see this. 16 by 16. Oh, this might actually work out well too. It's 1 bit, but will it open? Some dithering. It's like a bunch of random patterns, but maybe we could find a good one. Like these are pretty simple, but it might work out. See, and I think they're all 8 by 16 by 16. Hey, these look very similar to the boxes I have in my game. Okay. I'm gonna try using these. They're very simple, but I feel like you said it about every box. That's funny. Probably because it's true. I mean, there are only so many ways that you can make a box. Okay. Just throw this in here. Wait, what? Huh. Are we maybe this? Wait. Image configure grid. 8 by 8. Interesting. Looks like everything was off by like a pixel. But what is off? Yeah. Oh, I guess this texture for some reason is off by. Oh, maybe me copying it was off. Either way, we don't use it, so just gonna cut it, push it forward. Now let's try this. We have to mode indexed. You know, I don't know why, but the black color is being saved for some odd reason. Okay. Like a dark blue, I would say, is a good color. So here, let's do this. The second to last dark blue will be our darkest color. Oh, there's like skulls too. Looks kind of cool. See what else we got. The next one. Just grab this. I don't think we'll ever use like the super bright color ones. But we'll change. Yeah, let's just make it darker. Maybe it'll match. Oh wait, oops, wrong one. This one. Alright, and everything else, I don't really care about these other textures. It's already too much. But let's just do it. Which one did we grab? This one. Alright. And this white color. Wonder. Is this actually white? No, it's not. What is this? There we go. Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna use this in our game, but I think it has potential. Okay. We might have to. Here, I'm gonna duplicate this because I feel like we're not covering all of the edge cases here. Definitely not. So I'm just gonna duplicate it in case we miss something. Okay, bitmask. So these will be all of our textures. These could be all of our corner pieces. Wait, these could definitely be all of our. Oh, I'll try this for our corner. Does that make sense? No, it would be the opposite. It would be this and this and this. Okay. I kind of like these center pieces, but are these the same as I'm gonna just randomize some of these textures. And there's these ones as well. Could add different colors, I guess, if we really wanted to. Little robot games, Godot. Yes, we are using Godot. You see Godot and you follow. Am I right? That's how it is. Oh, I guess we did get the auto tell right the first time. Let me see something. Or maybe we did something wrong. No, I feel like. Oh yeah. I am dumb. Yeah, we do want to do this, but I think what we also want to do for this texture is maybe make the outside transparent. We'll see how it looks once it's all said and done. Hydrate. Okay. Let's try this again. So we were just trying it out in a random room. Let's try it here. You are not dumb. Sometimes you have bad luck with thinking. Sometimes I roll a 1. Not too bad, I would say. Let's see what it looks like with everything, though. I feel like this might be too bright. Like, you can barely tell the difference between the candle node. But maybe we should just update this color. Like, maybe that's a better solution. But let's see. Let's go back into each of these rooms. What was that called? 15? We can just run 15 here and just boom. Easy. Yeah, I kind of like this. Kind of like the way it looks. Let's just make sure. I think the corner pieces look a little weird. Like the edge pieces are kind of weird, but we'll fix that pretty soon. Yeah. There's no parallax for this one. Well, we haven't made a parallax yet. I feel like once we do make the parallax, maybe something here will change. Like we can maybe put like cracks in the wall and stuff. Yeah. Actually, wait. Let me go back into this tile set because I think adding that background was a bad idea. Or sorry, not the background. These transition textures are unnecessary. But that means we do need textures for like yeah, we have to do this. For actually wait, let me see. We need this, we need that, and we need this. Okay. It's gonna be pretty repetitive on the edges for now. Maybe we'll solve the rest of it later. Let me see what this looks like. What? Oh. Yeah. Also, corner pieces need to be fixed as well. 15. Let's go into this and let me set the default to 15 for now. That way, we can just edit these rooms with a click of a button. See how it looks. So usually we go here, just boom. But we'll also want to add wood somewhere. I think. It's like maybe here. Let's get rid of the scaffolding. Honestly, this looks pretty cool though. I gotta say, I kind of like it. And we'll keep the scaffolding there, just maybe like that, and then maybe I don't know. Background. We'll see. I don't know, maybe if wood should be just like right there, or we can have it across the ceiling. Like just a subtle, a subtle thing like that. That looks kind of neat, I would say. I think there needs to be some consistency though. Like if we do, I don't think we can do like this and then all of a sudden they're going horizontally, But what do I know? You are not dumb, a problem for automod. Maybe, maybe. The automod is an NPC. Yeah, I want to see what this room looks like just like as is without the wood. We should test it out. But I do low-key kind of like this kind of look where like wood is just floating. They have to be consistent though. Like maybe I should run a script that creates a pattern. Like either like along the bottom and like a little section right here. Like I could see wood being like up here. Oh, I do have the game jam. Shit, you're not wrong. Well, if anybody wants me to playtest their game, I'll playtest it. But I'll probably remove the tag. Okay. Oh, dude, I love this. Love the new texture. Oh, we need to update this one. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Patterns need to be changed, but all in all, pretty good. I think the collision with like the banners in this might look a little weird. Maybe we'll just only put it on the bottom. Here, let's actually look at like medieval structures and see what they did. I feel like maybe I always thought, you know, you would put stone on the bottom and then wood on the top, but maybe stone is on the, or maybe wood is on the bottom for like decoration purposes. I don't know. Who knows? How do I edit the tags? Send you my game maybe next week, when I have some gameplay. Did you participate? Did you work on the gem? Boom, bum, ba-dum. Okay. No, I did not, sadly. Neither did I. What are some good tags? Godot, Godot Engine, Celeste, Godot 4, Platformer, Godot 3, Pixel Art, Speedrunning, I think is what I used to use. Speedrunning. And I guess speedrun we'll use. Speed run. Okay. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Okay. Trying to think. Feel like we might want to. Let me see. I'll be right back. I have to pee. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like the idea of just putting 4 tiles on the bottom or something like that. Let me see what it looks like in this room. If it looks, it might look weird here. Let's see. No tile background. What did we set it to? 15? Yeah. And then just put wood down here. Yeah, I think it's gonna look really weird. Maybe, just maybe, what we could do is, even though it's a wood texture, we could actually, like, as long as it has that wood, like it could have the wood texture but still be black and white. Maybe that's a possibility that we can have. So like, I mean, this is already dark. We could use this one as the lightest one, which is this, and then, whoops, we colored everything. That's okay. And then this lighter color we can use as this. Oh wait, I think we did it the complete opposite, but actually I think this looks better. It's like light shines from above. So we could do something like that. Maybe make it one. Maybe we should make it slightly lighter than the background, the bricks. Let's see. Yeah, I think this has potential. But yeah, we're gonna make it just slightly brighter. So like one thing brighter. So what is that? What is that? So this. Guess this one right here, or which one's better? Okay. This is this. We gotta make sure we don't replace anything here. Did I do it correctly? No, I didn't. Okay, and then which one was it? This one? Yeah, there we go. So it'll still look like wood, hopefully, but it'll look like pretty wood, pretty blue wood, and the contrast will be good. Like it could contrast well with the ew. Oh, it looks disgusting actually. Maybe the top one is just too bright, but we can flip it. We can do that. Why is it not running? Okay. It's not even I mean, we need to update these textures because this one originally is bad. Oh wait, what? All of these are bad. Let me see something. Let me close all these rooms because. All right, let's go. Let me just see. Maybe we just forgot to update them. Paste. Oh no. Oh, what the hell? Why is it doing that? Let's try this again. We have to. I guess we have to. We can run a script to reset the auto tile. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we just have to erase it and then add it again. We might want to create a script in the future that just like lets us click a button and resets everything. I'm not sure if I like this though. Like the wood, I don't think it looks good. But let me try it in like, it might look good in these rooms right here. Let me see. Boom, boom. All right. It doesn't look. Yeah, you can barely tell the difference. Maybe I think what we'll do instead is we'll keep it that wood color. That we'll go back to square one. but we'll probably just not use this wood texture that often. Like, I think maybe it'll look good in certain areas. Like this little box right here would be wood, stuff like that. You know, like little sections of the game will be wood. But for the most part, it's all gonna be brick. Like maybe right there will be wood. Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Good idea, Joseph. So Control Z until see. All right, there we go. Control E, and then yeah, most of these rooms are not gonna have the wood in it. I don't think. I'll run it one more time. Let's see. Let's see which rooms we do like and don't. Yeah, I think this one looks okay. Oh my god, I can't even pass this room. I like the wood. It's just yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll put it on the top for this one, or yeah, we'll put it on the top, see if it looks good. If it doesn't, we're just going to remove it. Or maybe books just don't belong here, like the bookshelves. Like having bookshelves and the wood in the game, or in a certain room is too much. So maybe one of these days we'll just spend some time fixing those up. Like, oh, I like this room. I do like this room. And this one, pretty mid. This one has nothing. I'm gonna try editing this room real quick. I have a really good idea for this one though. And we'll also have to figure out what to do with the scaffolding, because right now scaffolding is like a part of the whole game, but maybe we'll replace this with pillars, and I think pillars would look really good. Let's see. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let me see what it looks like with the scaffolding. Interesting. They collide a little too much on the top there, but I kind of like the amount of detail that it, like this looks so lively to me. Here, low key, it makes me want to increase the brightness of the game just so that you can appreciate more of the art. I might just do that, to be honest. As long as we can get like good contrasting values, I think it'll be pretty cool. And yeah, I think I'm gonna replace these. I don't know if the scaffolding looks bad, or if like, here, let me see what that looks like. Wait, maybe certain areas look decent. Like maybe scaffolding right there is fine. Oh, we accidentally closed the room. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's lacking some detail. Okay, so the next step after we add all of these things is to add details to the walls. More details to the walls, like right here. So like maybe we want to put like a window here, or like, yeah, something to fill up these areas. But goddamn, it's looking good, I gotta say. Maybe I'm getting a little too excited. I think it's because my game has been like so minimalistic for the longest time that seeing like the small changes like this makes me pretty happy. Like just compare like this room. I mean, it's not bad, but like compare this room to this room, like, wow. I mean, there's parallax in this one that makes it nice, but yeah, adding windows maybe to the game and showing the outside could be just the change we need. So yeah, we'll save that for later today, or you know, maybe at 3 a.m. So that's what's 5 plus 3, 8 hours from now. Hopefully, I'll be up and streaming again. This is our second day, our second attempt at doing this. We got Cricket, we got Proton Fig, we got Mavis Games. I don't know who to pick. Let's go for cricket. Or wait. Let's see, how long? He's been streaming for a while. I wonder he might be done soon. Let me see. You know, if you guys want to watch speedrunning, let's do this. Soju's pretty good at Celeste. It's actually really fun to watch. Have a good one then. See you in 8 hours. Peace, Half Moon. For anyone interested in wishlisting Memori, I would greatly appreciate it. Oh, Steam. Oh my god. Can we do this before the raid starts? Yeah, if anyone wants to wishlist, I'd greatly appreciate it. You don't have to though. Till next time. Peace.
Downright, it should be fine. Practical on PC, thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, Fabian, that's correct. Hi, welcome in. How's it going?